Hey guys, Joe here at JP Details with a Honda Civic EP3 Type R JDM import which is in for wheels off detail and ceramic coating. When I was 21 years old I owned one of these cars for a short period of time, although it wasn't the JDM import. The JDM version has the same engine and gearbox as the Integra DC5 and the all-important limited slip diff. It has the thicker anti-roll bars and the red Recaros amongst a few other minor differences. The power is a little better than the UK model at 215 brake horsepower. The owner of the car is a new subscriber to the channel and he actually won this car in one of those raffles, but it wasn't BOTB. The owner has enjoyed the car for a few months, but he's now planning on selling it to fund his main project, which is a Nissan Silvia S15. The wheels have recently been refurbished and the owner thought it would be a nice addition to get them ceramic coated, ready for the new buyer. The first stage is to remove the wheels from the car and to safely put it on axle stands. An initial pre-rinse to kick things off, followed with the application of the iron fallout remover and a thorough agitation with the brushes. There isn't much in terms of contaminants on the surface of the freshly refurbished wheels, although we will still give them a light decontamination just to make sure that they are ready for ceramic coating. Clean the tyre sidewalls with the Tough Shine tyre brush and APC diluted around 6:1. Rinse the wheels after the initial cleaning process and then give them a light hit with the tar and glue remover to remove any road tar deposits. Rinse the wheels for a final time and they are now ready to be brought inside. The wheels are blown dry to remove the trapped and standing water, as we certainly don't want our ceramic coatings being watered down by any liquid left hidden in the wheels. Considering that these wheels have freshly been refurbished and they are in fact looking immaculate as it is, we didn't see the point in giving them a polish. If your wheels are not freshly refurbished, then I would highly recommend that you do give them a polish either by hand or machine. Wipe the wheels down with an IPA of your choice, and considering that we'll be using G-Technic ceramic to coat the wheels, we'll be using G-Technic panel wipe to wipe them down. The product will remove any final traces of detail sprays, spray waxes, polish residue, or any grease that happens to be left on the surface. G-Technic C5 wheel armour is my ceramic coating of choice to protect the wheels. Apply a small amount of the coating to a G-Technic finger foam applicator and apply to the complete face of the wheel. Once fully coated, take a microfiber towel and gently remove the excess. Flip and fold the towel a few times to give you some fresh microfiber to work with. Swap to a second towel and then give the wheel a final thorough wipe over, and after that towel has been flipped a few times, the wheel should be nicely coated. Coat one side of the wheel at a time, so we're doing the faces first, then the inner barrels afterwards. You do have a bit of time to work with this product as it doesn't dry immediately, but you certainly don't want to hang around. Inspect your results with a decent light source, and when you are happy that all excess coating has been removed, the wheels can then be allowed to fully cure, which takes 12 hours after the application.
Yes, tiny section versus like 4-inch. I can't sit this. There's only some more cover in that, so it's probably time friction. Yeah, okay. What's all that brown crap on the floor? It's a high test finish. Three layers. Well, the front is obviously you have to dress it. When you dress it, obviously abuse them all.
Complete the process on all 4 wheels and then dress the tyres using your favourite tyre dressing. If you don't know what I use, then you obviously haven't watched enough of my videos. Apply your tyre dressing of choice to each of the wheels, and you can then stand back and admire your hard work. Give the wheels the 12 hours curing time that they need whilst remaining indoors, and you can then fit them back to the car.
Max, have a guess how much this costs for that? Not even
10 quid.
It's really good. It's the best in the world. It should be for that.
Gold flake or something.
We didn't give the coating 12 hours to cure on the JDM import, and the wheels needed to be redone a week later. Although, like I said, the car was put up for sale before coming in for this treatment, and I'm pretty sure that the car has now sold, so the owner never came back. On the drive home, the brake dust embedded itself into the ceramic coating, and nothing that the owner tried would rectify the staining in the wheels. Motto of the story: make sure you give the wheels the right amount of time to fully cure. As always, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Be sure to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, just search JP Details, and I'll hopefully catch you in the next one.
Yeah,